Okay, guys, for your long vowel worksheet, you'll notice that there are two worksheets, but you only have to do one of them. They're the same worksheet, so really you only have to do one of them, okay? So for our long vowels, like we practiced today in class, remember when we played that long vowel game? We are only going to look for the words that have the long A sound, like acorn, eel, ice cream, orange, and unicorn. So if they sound like its name, A-E-I-O-U, that's the sound that we want to identify. Okay, let's do number one together. Number one says act. Do we hear a long A sound here? Act. No, we don't. We hear but we don't want that sound right now. We want A. What about ape? Does it sound like its name? Ape. It does sound like its name, so we would mark it right here. Bed. Does it sound like E? No, so that's not the long E sound, so we do not mark this one. What about dig? Does that sound like a long vowel sound? No, because the long vowel sound sounds just like its name. This says ig. We're looking for the I sound. So nope. The only one that worked was ape. Let's try number two. Snail. Does it sound like a snail? Yep, I hear the a sound. Snail. What about cop? Op. Does that sound like its name? No. In this one, we hear the short O sound. We hear ah. But we're looking for O. Bug. Does that sound like you? No, so we don't mark that one. What about ask? Does that sound like a? Ask. No, it doesn't, so we don't mark that one. Okay, so remember, as you go through it, you're only gonna circle or mark the words that have these sounds. A, like acorn, E, like eel, I, ice cream, O, orange, U, unicorn. If it sounds like we don't want that sound today. That's the short sound. We want A-E-I-O-U sound. Okay?